Okay, so the first one, the easy one, Laura can solve 6 math questions in 12 minutes. Working at the same rate, how many minutes will it take her to solve 5 math questions? So set up your proportion. I'm going to put questions over minutes. So 6 questions in 12 minutes, 5 questions in how many minutes? And so if you cross multiply, you get 6x equals 60. So x would be 10 minutes. Did y'all get that one? Okay. Alright, the length of time in hours that a certain battery will last is inversely proportional to the length of time in years that the battery spends in storage. So how long it lasts and how long it's been in storage. Those are your two things that are related. So a battery that spends 3 years in storage will last 25 hours. So this is the years that it's spent in storage. This is how long it will last. So how long must the battery have been in storage? So how many years was it in storage if it lasts 15 hours? All right, so this is years in storage and hours that it lasts. So it's another kind of a proportion, but instead of dividing in the proportion, you multiply when you see the words inversely proportional. So this is what we're looking for. 75 equals 15x. So you should get 5. Had to spend 5 years in storage. You knew that it had to go up at least a little bit, because if the amount of time it lasts goes down, that means the years that it's been in storage went up. When one goes down, the other one has to go up. So if hours went down, years had to go up. It doesn't really make sense though that it went up a whole lot. So really, to me, the only two that even make sense are B and C. So you can narrow it down to those and then either guess or actually work it out. Okay. A factory produced 15 trucks of the same model. I don't know why this one is really hard. I thought this one was easier than the medium, but factory produced 15 trucks of the same model. If the trucks had a combined weight of 34.5 tons, how much in pounds did one of the trucks weigh? So we know that trucks and pounds. We know that 15 trucks weighed 34.5 tons, but they tell you how many pounds are in a ton. So if you have 34.5 or 34.5 tons, and each of those tons is 2,000 pounds, you have 69,000 pounds. So 15 trucks weigh 69,000 pounds, so one truck would weigh how many pounds? So you just divide 69,000 by 15. So divided by 15 would be 4,600. So tomorrow after school we'll finish this up. We'll finish up the arithmetic.